All right, we're in Bakersfield at Sweet Fix Creamery. We're with Tom, one of the owners, and you guys know how to make some ice cream, and some really nice ice cream. We're gonna make the Do the Math blueberry pie today, right?
Right.
All right, let's go.
So we start with heavy cream. We want to do about 36% heavy cream. We're going to do some whole milk, and we also have some sugars and emulsifiers for that.
So the first part was 36, so is everything a third, or is it, that's the base and then we go off of that?
Yeah, the whole milk brings that down to hopefully about a 16% butterfat ratio. That's what we're trying to get, and that's that creaminess and texture that you want.
All right, let's move on.
Yeah, great. So we're going to pour the base, split it so we can add the vanilla and egg yolks. Egg yolks also give it that creamy texture, is what we're going for. So we're going to do the vanilla first.
And how much vanilla goes in?
About a third cup. And that this will create 3 liners for us, which will do about 48 to 54 scoops in the store. Yeah.
So now the egg yolks.
Yep.
And this is strictly yolks, not the whole egg.
Exactly. Sugared
And
egg yolks.
why is
again.
that?
Because they got to get the egg whites out, and the yellow really just helps it bind. The white actually creates problems, so the egg yolks create more, they call it the French style, like a custard style.
Okay, so you're separating that.
Yep,
All
exactly. Right. So we're going to add these. Make sure we get all of it. Okay, that one. Now we're going to blend it, immersion blend it.
And is this a recipe that you picked up from someplace, or you came up with this after trials and errors?
Definitely trials, lots of trials. We have a batch kitchen at home. We make a lot of ice cream at home, so that's what we're doing.
All right. And how long do you blend it? Is it just kind of a sight thing, a feel?
Yeah, sight and feel. I'd say at least 30 seconds, maybe 60. Make sure that egg yolk gets in there, vanilla gets mixed in all the way. It's got to be perfect. You'll know. So now we'll add the rest of the base here. Make sure we got a full till. They'll be ready for the machine. So let's go. This only takes another 15, 20 seconds. It'll be fully blended. So you don't see the egg yolks anymore.
So this is the base for whatever type of ice cream you're making?
Pretty much,
okay.
Yeah. If we added the vanilla and egg yolk, it creates that French vanilla base. If we don't do the egg yolk and vanilla, it's our sweet cream base. So we do our base for either of them.
Okay.
Yeah. So it creates that. So now it's ready for the machine. So we can take this over and drop it in.
All right. All right, well, we made the mixture. It's now churning away, and we need a specific flavor. We're gonna make blueberry pie, P-I, blueberry pie ice cream for Do the Math. We've got a blueberry pie from Murray Family Farms. We love it. You usually don't get it like this, but
no.
We've cut it up a little bit.
Right.
And this is what's gonna go into the mixture.
Right, so the mixture's gonna come out. We're gonna start lining it is what we call it, so it can be for presentation. So we're gonna put it in here, and you're just gonna mix it in and get it ready for final.
Okay, so we're lining it. We've got 3 liners, and how much is each one of these contain?
Well, this will do about 16 scoops, so I would say that maybe 18 scoops, so about 72 ounces.
And we have 1 pie to satisfy all 3 of these?
Yes, it'll do all 3. Perfect.
Oh, good. Well, I'm looking forward to it. We're ready to go?
About to happen.
All right.
So we're gonna take it from here. The mixture came out, it's all ready. It's ready to be layered, so I'm gonna dump it in here, and you're gonna take some of the pie and then blend it in with that. Our perfect vanilla base.
All right, so we got the base going in, and we're filling it about 1/3 of the way?
Yep, well, about, you're about 1/9 of that, because you're gonna layer it, do it more and more.
All right.
Just kind of fill up the top. That's probably good.
Spread it out.
Mix all that in,
all right.
Hold it.
How's this looking, Tom? Ready to come work for Sweet Fix here?
You're ready to retire.
Retire? I'll still be working. But this is fun work, too, you know?
Volunteer. Oh, got it.
Oh, all right. Dude, I'll tell you, that pie was looking beautiful, but it looks even better now. Mixed in here. So how far are we, Tom, from the end now?
Pretty close. So now we're just trying to finish it. We got the mixing done. Now we're just going to try to decorate and finish it, do the art piece of this.
Oh, so now we smooth it out a little bit, make it nice for the presentation?
Yep.
All right.
Go ahead and kind of do that, and I'll show you the last part. We have some blueberry jam on the side. So we're going to kind of...
Oh, here we go now.
Kind of just get mixed in here. And I'll show you how we finish the decoration of this. Mix it in, Get the nice swirl
Oh,
going.
there we go.
It's got to present.
Right, and it's getting a little deeper down in there with
Yep.
that syrup, right?
Yep, sure is. And then we clean the sides up, and this will be ready for tasting.
So a blueberry pie ice cream with the blueberry pie courtesy of Murray Family Farms and Sweet Fix Creamery making this up for Do the Math as we kick off our 24th season. Dude, I gotta tell you, this looks beautiful.
Yeah.
Do I really have to wait for it to freeze a little bit?
Nope, let's eat it right now. Let's get some. So let's see what you think. Got to dig down in there and try to get a pie piece though as well.
Oh, all right. That's the goal.
Yep,
Oh, I think I felt a little bit right there.
probably did.
Hey, you know what? That can't be too big, can it?
No. Let's see, can Mike do that?
Oh,
A little left. What do you think?
dude, that is awesome.
Good.
Thank
That's
you very
awesome.
much.
You got it.
Tom, Sweet Fix Creamery, we dig it. It's the 24th season of Do the Math, and we got blueberry pie. Come on down to Sweet Fix and try yours. That is good.
Perfect.
We have to use these little spoons all the time?